Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Cenhang brand adjustable cubicle and door hooks. We're going to show you these up close, demonstrate them, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
All right, so once you start opening up the little package that they come in, I just want to show you how easy it is to kind of adjust these. So they'll show up like this, and you'll literally just twist that around. Just take a Phillips head screwdriver if needed to just unscrew just a slight little bit, and that'll make it really loose. And then you can adjust to your size of cubicle and or frame, door frame. And then once you have that, you're just going to want to tighten that back up, and that should keep it from going too far. So let me show you what it looks like on a door. All right, so just showing you how it would look on a door. I'll show you how to hang stuff. So you can adjust this to wherever you want, and or again put it on a cubicle. But I just want to show, for my purposes, that it will block the door depending on how much room you have, because it is pretty flat. But so some doors it may work on. The easiest way to kind of measure this, because I've got it at the top of the door, is put it on the side, like so, down somewhere where you can see it, adjust with the screwdriver in and out, and then pull the thing off, and then literally just hang it on top like that. So again, depending on how much space you have above your door, you may or may not be able to close the door and do this, but to me, these are totally worth buying. Again, just because of the adjustability. They can fit just about any door size, and of a decent, as you can tell, size for hanging stuff. So worth buying. Hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching.